Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver imageCLASS. It's here for your tab here. Down Canon and it's here for imageCLASS. It's here for the signal. You tap here for the drive for the load. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. This one and this here for the I am search for the official website and this here for official website. You click here. Oh no, this here for that. Not just support. Oh no, this here for not just support. Oh, this here for support. Okay, you click here, and this here for the official website, and you scroll down. This here for the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows or the Macintosh, this here for the Windows, this here for the Macintosh, and this here for the Windows. And this video I'm going to cover the Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11. And this is for the Windows 11 support. Okay, this here for the Windows 11 support the printer. And this video I made the load there for the printer. Click here for the printer, and if you need download, you click here for download. This here download. This here for the download driver. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press what if finish there for download. If you finish there for download, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below the description view. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.